Hey guys, welcome back to our new video. We recently received one of our customers for assistance in Shelly Cashman Excel 2016 Modules 1-3 SAM Capstone Project 1A. Our client provided us some file attachments you can see on your screen, with full instructions to understand the problem. To complete this assignment, follow steps ahead. Here's a summarized solution process for each problem. Step 1. File setup, download, rename, and ensure your name is in the documentation sheet, cell B6. Step 2. Formatting. Adjust column widths, row heights, and apply specific fonts, colors, and styles to headers. Merge cells where required and format with appropriate cell styles. Step 3. Data entry and formulas. Enter table data in bold and format numbers, e.g. currency and accounting styles. Use formulas like SUM, average, max, MIN, if, and absolute references for calculations. Perform goal seek to achieve specified attendance goals. Step 4. Charts and conditional formatting. Create a line chart for monthly revenue and a clustered column chart for attendance. Apply a conditional formatting rule to highlight high revenue cells. Step 5. Other edits. Format the personal trainers and physical therapists sheets with rotation, flash fill, and freeze panes. Color code sheet tabs and format the workbook for printing. Step 6. Final steps. Check spelling, save changes, and submit the workbook. If you need our help, we provide two types of solution services. First service is an old solution we already have but that might prompt as plagiarized when someone tries to submit because it has already been used. Second service is to complete it using your given start file and do it completely original. To avail of our help on any assignment, you can contact us on WhatsApp at +44 730 965 5268 or log into our website xlsx.org and chat with a customer support agent. Thank you for watching this.